In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you could use a standard speaker 3.5mm connection with your PlayStation 4. So I was trying to find a solution how I could use my computer speakers with this monitor that doesn't have built-in speakers. And the solution is you need to have 2 PlayStation 4 remotes and you need to have 2 accounts in the PlayStation. So the way that works is I'm gonna log in with my primary account, and once you log in, you wanna use the secondary remote and you wanna plug in the speakers. And once you do, you go ahead and choose the secondary profile, and then it's gonna take you back to your primary profile. So as you can see, the sound is coming out from the Logitech speakers that I have, and it's working perfectly. So what you could do is you could leave this remote, make sure it's charged, and you could leave it close to the PlayStation, and then you could play with the other one in the couch or whatever location you might be at. So that's one trick that I found that will work if you don't want to buy the adapter. Now, as far as connecting a headset in here for microphone, then I'm sure the sound will take over if you plug in anything in here. But if you're not planning to use a microphone, then this solution will work for you if you have a monitor that doesn't have built-in speakers. All right, well, that's how you set this up. If you have any questions, leave your comment below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.